Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about some general reactions which are related to your course in organic chemistry. Some reactions which are useful for various conversions. First one is when primary alcohol is oxidized, it forms aldehyde, which again oxidized to form carboxylic acids. These reactions must be in your mind to convert various organic compounds from one form to another. Here, primary alcohols. What are primary alcohols? This one. This is the primary alcohol, which on oxidation forms RCHO, means aldehydes, which again oxidized to form RCOOH. Means when primary alcohol is oxidized, it forms aldehyde, which again oxidized to form carboxylic acids. Second one is secondary alcohol on oxidation forms ketones, which can't be further oxidized. RCHOH. This one is secondary alcohol. When secondary alcohol is oxidized, it forms RCOR, means ketone. This one is ketone, which are not further oxidized. Third one is tertiary alcohols do not oxidized, means RCOH. This is the tertiary alcohol which cannot be oxidized. Means by using this oxidation process, we can differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. With the help of these oxidation reactions, we can separate or we can differentiate, we can distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Okay? Here, next reaction, that one is fourth reaction, you can say. Primary amines are NH2. RNH2 is primary amine. This primary amine on reaction with nitrous acid, HNO2 is nitrous acid. It is an unstable acid, gives ROH plus N2 plus H2O. Means primary amine are changed to alcohol by reacting with nitrous acid. Primary amine with nitrous acid forms alcohol. This is the conversion of amine to alcohol. This nitrous acid is unstable acid which are produced by reacting NaNO2 and HCl. Means this reaction can also be written as like this. NaNO2 plus HCl gives ROH plus NaCl plus H2O, like this. And I think N2 is also released. This one. Means primary amines can be converted to alcohols by this reaction. If we take aryl amine, means you can say aniline, by treating this one NaNO2 and HCl, it forms diazonium salt. Here no alcohol is produced. Okay? Keep in mind, no alcohol is produced. This one is diazonium chloride. This one is produced. This is the difference between aliphatic amine and aromatic amine, or you can say primary amine and aniline. This is a type of aromatic amine and this is a type of aliphatic amine. Next one is fifth one. Alcohol on reaction with PCl3 or PCl5 or SOCl2 gives haloalkane. Haloalkane. ROH gives RCl, or you can say RX. If here PBr3 is used, PBr5 is used, SOBr2 is used, then it forms RBr. Any halogen can be exchanged with this Cl. Take one example, ROH plus PCl5. This alcohol on reaction with phosphorus pentachloride forms RCl alkyl chloride plus POCl3 plus HCl. This is the conversion of alcohol to haloalkane. How can we convert haloalkane to alcohol? Not its opposite. How can we change haloalkane to alcohol? This takes place by reacting NaOH aqueous. It gives alcohol and NaX. RX is haloalkane, or you can say alkyl halide, with NaOH gives ROH alcohol plus NaX. This one is haloalkane and this one is alcohol. Haloalkane can be changed to alcohol by reacting this one. This is the sixth reaction. Now, next one, seventh reaction. Carboxylic acids. What are carboxylic acids? The compounds which have RCOOH. When reduced, means addition of hydrogen, in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium, any of the catalyst, it forms aldehyde, RCHO, which again gets reduced in presence of same catalyst to form primary alcohol. This is the reverse of first reaction. RCH2OH, this one. And if we take any other not, you can say another reducing agent, lithium aluminium hydride, then by using this reducing agent, carboxylic acid is directly converted to primary alcohol without change in aldehyde, RCH2OH. This one. Direct conversion of carboxylic acid to primary alcohol takes place by using this of the reducing agent. In presence of any of this reducing agent, carboxylic acid is converted to aldehyde, and which aldehyde is reduced to primary alcohol. This reduction takes place through aldehyde, but here direct carboxylic acid is converted to primary alcohol without change in aldehyde. Okay. This is all about some general reactions which are related to your course. In my next lecture, I will discuss about some more important reactions. Okay, thank you.